Cloud networking is at the core of modern cloud infrastructure, enabling seamless communication between various components. The power of cloud networking lies in its ability to connect distinct virtual resources as if they were on a single physical network, despite being scattered over different geographic locations. Historically, organizations relied on physical servers and complex hardware setups to manage their networks. However, the proliferation of cloud computing has fundamentally transformed this landscape. The primary components of cloud networking include virtual private clouds, VPCs, subnets, and gateways. A VPC acts as a private, isolated section of the cloud where you can launch and manage cloud resources, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Microsoft Azure. Think of a VPC as a flexible, customizable virtual network that mimics traditional networks' functionality. Subnets within a VPC further divide networks into smaller, manageable sections, facilitating efficient resource allocation and security. Through subnets, you can control access to specific resources, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. For example, a company might use private subnets for its databases while utilizing public subnets for its web servers, optimizing both security and accessibility. Gateways are also crucial, acting as bridges between the VPC and external networks, such as the Internet. Internet gateways and virtual private gateways are two primary types. Internet gateways enable public-facing resources to communicate with the outside world, while virtual private gateways provide secure connections with on-premises data centers through VPNs. One of the main challenges in cloud networking is ensuring secure and reliable connectivity. Real-world examples include Netflix, which uses cloud networking to stream vast amounts of data to millions of users worldwide. By leveraging a global network of servers, Netflix can deliver content with minimal latency and high reliability. Similarly, Spotify utilizes cloud networking to manage and deliver music content seamlessly, enhancing user experience. Another vital component is the network load balancer, which distributes incoming traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server becomes overwhelmed. This mechanism maintains performance and reliability even during peak traffic times. For instance, during Black Friday, e-commerce platforms depend on load balancers to handle increased traffic and prevent downtime, ensuring a smooth user experience. Cloud networking also relies heavily on security services like firewalls and intrusion detection systems to fend off cyber threats. These systems monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Companies like Salesforce employ such security measures to protect sensitive customer data. In cloud infrastructure, the network's agility is a defining characteristic. It allows companies to quickly scale resources up or down based on demand, providing flexibility that traditional networks cannot match. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many businesses pivoted rapidly to remote work, relying on cloud networking to ensure seamless operations and communication across distributed teams. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML) into cloud networking is another advancement. These technologies help predict and mitigate network issues before they occur, optimizing the network's overall performance. Google Cloud, for instance, uses AI to predict potential network outages, significantly enhancing uptime and reliability. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the importance of cloud networking will only grow. Organizations are adopting multi-cloud and hybrid cloud models, utilizing services from multiple cloud providers to optimize performance and cost efficiency. This strategic approach allows companies to avoid vendor lock-in and ensure their operations remain resilient against outages or disruptions. Looking ahead, the future of cloud networking involves further integration with emerging technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, and edge computing. These advancements will require more robust and adaptable network solutions to handle the increased complexity and volume of data. As such, understanding and mastering cloud networking is essential for any tech-savvy organization looking to thrive in the digital age.